Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to incorporate AI into Excel. For example, using ChatGPT add-in to find tourist spot descriptions. First thing first, open Excel and go to the Insert tab, then select Add-ins. Open then, and in the add-ins search bar, type ChatGPT for Excel, then click Add. Now check if the ChatGPT for Excel add-in appears in the Home tab, and in your Excel sheet, enter your details in two columns, for example, column A, task, destination, description length, and language, and column B, corresponding values like tourist spots, Maldives, short, English. And in an empty cell, for example B7, type the formula AI.ask A1 B4, then press enter. The AI automatically generates a description of the Maldives using the input data and displays it in the selected cell. A pro tip, you can use this method for many tasks in Excel like summaries, content creation, translation, or even explanations of formulas. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.